mug fading away though. The S still there, the R still there. The I fading away for real, for real. I think that was the A. Used to be. Dang, though, they really making something. Here they go again with it. Snapping with it. Oh shit, nigga with it. They really with it. They hitting it again. Really with it. They really with it. They finna hit it again. They finna make something again. It used to be over there, but now it's right there. They making something else. Doing it again. Once again, they gonna spin again. Powerade, Gatorade. Which one the best decision to get? Vitamin B3, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. That's some good shit for you though, right there. That's some good shit right there. But goes to this right here. Don't got that though. Don't got that, but it got the good little vitamin A and good vitamin C.